Not take action now, we actually are going to get into a situation where some of these populations cannot be reversed. In Kenya, the last 50 years has seen a decline in a number of wildlife populations in the country. However, we have also noted a stabilizing population, especially for rhinos and elephants, due to efforts by government and many stakeholders. We need each one of us, we need all stakeholders to be able to ensure that we bend the curve towards ensuring that these populations continue to increase.
Taking care of the environment is very important, and he made sure that he has a very elaborate program of planting trees so that we can take it back.